Hello viewers, I welcome you all from HLT of Tech channel, and today we will talk about calculated fields in Dynamics CRM. Calculated fields are fields that doesn't require any developer involvement while calculating any type of data. But there are some pros and cons of calculated fields as well. So let's talk about calculated fields in Dynamics CRM in detail. First of all, in Microsoft Dynamics 365, calculated fields let you automate manual calculations used in business processes. System administrators can easily define a field to contain the value of many common calculations without involvement of a developer. Developers can also leverage the platform capabilities to perform these calculations rather than using their own code. If we talk about data type that is available for calculated fields are these data. You can perform the calculations of on a field of single line of text, option set, two options, whole number, decimal number, currency, and date and time. If we talk about the capabilities of calculated fields, the calculated fields comprise of calculations that use the fields from the current entity or related parent entity. The expression support is available on the current entity and the related parent fields in the condition sections and the action sections. So let me show you here quickly. If I go here, customize the system. In customizing the system, if I go into any entity here, in that particular entity I go into fields. Here I can add a new field. If I name it any test field, and here I will click on calculated, and in calculation here you will see that there is an if else if condition, if then condition, or an action. If condition is fulfilled, perform this action. In action there are different variables which I will tell you in later part of this video. Okay, now a seamless integration of the calculated fields within the form views, charts, and reports is available in real time. That is, as soon as you save the form, the calculated field will be updated, and it will also be updated in the charts and reports as well. Disadvantages of calculated fields are you cannot use fields on a related entity in the calculation. If you are mapping an entity to another related entity, you cannot perform such calculations. For that purpose, you have to write plugins or workflows. You cannot change existing fields to calculated fields. Calculated fields are not available for floating number or lookup fields. Maximum 10 calculated fields can be created for single entity. That is important, that in one entity you can uh, make or configure only 10 calculated fields, and maximum 100 calculated fields can be created for single organization. Okay, so these are the basic limitations of calculated fields, due to which it is used to bare minimum. You can apply a condition. Condition is optional. You can add any thing that is that creates some if else logics. After that you apply the uh, calculation. These are the calculations that are available. You can add days, you can add hours, you can add months, add weeks, add years, concatenate to single line of text. You can calculate the created by, you can created on difference in days. You can calculate start date and time and date of time. If you mention, you can calculate the different in days. That gives you different scenarios, you can use them, and these are also different type of day. So new date of birth, you can add it. So these are different types of values that you can set and apply on calculated fields. I will show you some demonstration in my next video as well of the calculated fields, in which we will calculate age or some other scenarios. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching this short theoretical video, and stay with me. New viewers, subscribe my channel and enjoy watching more videos. I thank you all.